yile ngaphakathi ejele izolo ebusuku.
Kuthe uma kushaya ihora lesikhombisa kusihlwa batheleka ojele behambisana namaphoyisa bebheke equla kwaSani becinga okungafanele ejele. Lokhu kugasela kuyingxenye yomkhankaso wokwehlisa izinga lokweqa kweziboshwa emajele nokuphepha ngesikhathi sikaKhisimusi. Phakathi kwezinto ezitholakala eNew Prison kukhona amashaja omakhalekhukhwini.
We selected this facility as one of those facilities that we will focus on during Operation Vala, an operation that is meant to ensure that our correctional facilities are safe. We get rid of items that are illegal. So we chose this facility because we've been focusing more on other facilities, including the Durban management area. Pietermaritzburg has got a lot of contrabands.
Umkhankaso ivala usuqhutshwe emajele amaningi. Ukhomishana wezamajele ukhathazekile ngezisebenzi ezithintekayo ekushushumbiseni izinto ezingafuneki emajele. Bangu 143 ojele esebemisiwe bathweswa amacala ngalokhu.
What stands out as we continue to conduct this raids is that the offenders know exactly how the contrabands make it to our correctional facilities. So they are able to point us at people that help them to bring contrabands into our facilities, and that includes our own officials.
Omakhalekhukhwini kanye nemali ngezinye zezinto ezitholwayo kulomkhankaso.
Sharp objects and of course other devices, electronic devices that are used to transmit, except cell phones. So that for us then becomes a serious matter because we would now want to follow up as to what are those devices used for.
Umnyango wezokuhlunyeliswa kwezimilo ugasele ejele emva kokuthola ulwazi lomhloli ngokungafanele okwenzeka ejele elihlonziwe.
The contributors are as follows. The first one is those offenders that still go to court, your further charges, those that are sentenced but they have further charges, and the remand detainees, those that are still going to court, have not been sentenced. So they interact with the public and they bring contrabands into the facility.
Umkhankasi Operation Vala uyaqhubeka nakwamanye amajele angakahlonzwa.